Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to um, prototype object scaling in Figma. So uh, I'm going to import my frame. So let me use Android Large for this. Okay. So I don't want to waste time. So I'm going to import icon. So let me import that. Okay, let me import all the icons that I will need. So I'm going to need more. Um, I'm also going to need um, let's say phone. Um, can use this. I'm also going to use video. Can just use any one of them. Let me use this. Let me also import uh, um, user. So this, that's add user. So for this I can even invert it. Let me also import search. So for search, I'm going to I can import this. That will be fine. Um, Let me also import. Can say timer. Can can use this. Let me also import music icon. I can use this or this. Let me use this. That's fine. Let me also import. Let me say notification. That's bell icon. I use this. Let me also import let me say media. Um, can use this. Let me also import lock. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to type code here. So I'm going to add auto layouts and I'm going to add okay for this auto layouts. So I'm going to add another auto layout to this. For this, I'm going to advance. So I'm going to just duplicate this. Alright. description should be messages and posts are posted to. All right, so I'm going to duplicate this. Duration. So how long this person spent online. So I'm going to duplicate this. So here I can have block this num. So let me copy this. I'm going to add auto layout to this. I'm going to add auto layout. So okay, let me just highlight this and take this out. So I'll be able to think it's at the back. I don't know. Okay. So this is left. So I'm going to import I'm going to select this going to place this in here. So I'm going to remove this and convert this into a component, and then I'm going to add a variant. So for this variant, I'm going to move it to the other side. So I'm going to add 50%. So let me type this. It goes to here. Smart animates to this, and here on top it smart animates to this. So I can now go to assets I'm going to drag this. That's fine. And let me try and scale this down a bit. Alright, so I'm going to select this and run avatar scrolling. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to change all this to blue. So I just highlight this and I'm going to bring this in. So I'm going to fix this here. I'm going to add a rectangle here. So I'm going to send this rectangle to the back and give this white here. You can also duplicate this here. I'm also going to take these two. Okay. I'm going to give this a white here. So I'm going to now duplicate this. So once I duplicate this, I'm going to scale this. So I'm going to scale this, place this here. Okay. So I can scale this down. So I'm going to give this a blue here. So this should be white. All right. So I'm going to deselect this so I can move this up. Alright, so I can now go to prototype. So I'm going to connect this to this. I'm say on drag. So let this be moved in. So this is going to ease out up. Then this is also going to ease in back. So let me reduce this to 100 milliseconds and this also to 100 milliseconds. Alright, so let me run this. If I drag this up, it goes here. If I drag down, alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.